Hey everyone, Day Sports Cards here. Back with another break. Today, I'm going to be opening two blasters of the new 2019 Panini Leather and Lumber Baseball. Fiance and I stopped at Meijer to grab a few things. I was looking for Stadium Club. I didn't find any at Target. Didn't find any at Meijer, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try Walmart in a day or two. But yeah, went with this. I've seen quite a few breaks of this stuff. I haven't really seen anything incredible come out of the blasters. It is only 2 packs, I believe. 10 cards per box. I think this is the first year they're doing it, new for 2019. I don't do a whole lot of Panini stuff. I don't think they had hobby of it last year. So you guys can pause that, check that out. Panini doesn't give any odds, but at least you can see like parallels and stuff. But Blaster exclusive base bats. So it's 2 packs. You do get 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box. I remember Donruss Leather and Lumber back in the day. I never really got to open much of that. Maybe just a few packs, but that was probably 14 years ago. So it's been a while. So, yeah, why not? 2019 Panini Leather and Lumber. 2 packs. $20. So, but yeah, alright, let's get to it. I'm terrible with Panini packs. Okay, that's pretty cool. Equalizers. Miguel Cabrera. Insert. These are decently thick card stock, so that's pretty nice. Interesting. Bat Patrol. Juan Soto. That's pretty cool. I will say the cards are nice looking. I do like them. Bat Patrol, Robinson Cano. Maple and Ash, Cody Bellinger. I do have some neat looking inserts. You guys can see that. They're like a, the design is raised, so it's like a stamped design. And Equalizers, Anthony Rizzo. Alright, on to the second pack. Which will have the hit. Which I think they put it in there backwards. So, alright, Eric Hosmer. And this is the base. I believe in hobby, everything is die cut. So it's a little bit different for retail. Brandon Belt. That's a gold foil, not numbered. Francisco Mejia. Oh, did I get that wrong? I think I did. Oh well. Lorenzo Cain and the hit. Danny Jansen, dual bat and relic. Danny Jansen, not numbered. So, I've seen some of these and they're like 180 point. But Danny Jansen, 2 pieces of bat and jersey. Lorenzo Cain, that's the base. Design's a little odd for these hits, but it is a triple relic. So there you go. That's box number 1. On to box number 2. Bat Patrol, Jose Altuve. Home Run Kings, Harmon Killebrew. Home Run Kings, Frank Robinson. Slugfest, Frank Thomas. And Equalizers, Ken Griffey Jr. That's a pretty cool insert. Alright, on to the hit pack. A little bit thicker card here. Chris Davis. Felix Hernandez, gold foil. Madison Bumgarner. Justin Verlander. And I think I got an autograph. Yeah. That's pretty cool looking. Ryan Borucki. Rookie Lumber Signatures. Number 20 of 149. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, I do like these cards. These are pretty cool. So, don't know much about the guy. If you guys know anything about him, let me know. But Ryan Borucki. Or Borucki. I'm sure it's one of the two. But yeah, that's a pretty sweet looking card. So, I was hoping to get an autograph, and I did. So, I'll take that. It is retail Panini, so I don't usually expect a whole lot when it comes to Panini retail. But there you go. Danny Jansen, triple relic, 2 bats and jersey, and a rookie signature out of 149, Lumber signature. So pretty cool. Not bad. Bleeds a little bit into the bat, or into the wood piece, but it'd be cool if they actually used bats for that. But they don't. I don't think they do. Pretty sure they don't. I could be wrong. But yeah, there you go. 2019. Leather and Lumber. 2 blasters. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.